Here we are on the team page, and the first CSS we have is setting the social icons to 24 pixels. And so all these icons here, under these team members, are all 24 pixels, as you can see. And then we're setting a color, this gray color, for them. So you can update that by copying this rule and overriding it. Also setting padding left and right to give space in between them. Setting the opacity to 1 and transitions. That way when we set the opacity to 50% on hover, it's a nice easy transition down, which we're used to with Divi, right? Pretty cool. And getting rid of the padding left for the first of type, because we want it to be nice and aligned there, and getting rid of the padding right on the last of type, because it's the last one. And then it looks like down here with this guy and this guy, we're using the 400 min height and 300 min height background image fix that we went through in the general video. And then other than that, there's no other CSS, but I will show you how to add more icons, since this is we're using Font Awesome for these, which has a ton of icons you can use. So let's say we want to add a Pinterest one. So we'll come here to fontawesome.com and we'll search for Pinterest. And then here I am logged in. I'm going to actually open up this module. It's a code module. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find, here's the last closing A tag, and here's the opening A tag for that. So I'm just going to copy that. And I'll go down a couple of lines and paste it. But you can see it added a second, YouTube one. So now we can find whichever icon we want to use. Let's try this Pinterest one here. And I'm going to copy this iClass, blah, 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 blah. Click to copy HTML. Boom, copy. And I'm going to go and replace that iClass all the way to the closing I tag. Then here's where I put my link. It's going to open in a new tab, so you can get rid of that target blank if you don't want that. And then I am free to put this, I can cut this and put it wherever I want. Maybe I want it to be the second one. So here's the opening A, closing A tag. That's the end of the first one. So then I would put this one right there to have it be in the second spot. So, oops, there we go. So let me get rid of that Pinterest one now. We don't need that one there. But that's how you would add new ones, or I guess edit ones, is that right there. So that is all that you have to know about the team page.